This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. Oh, good, oh, great sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good. I'm feeling good.
Hi. Excited.
Always.
Always, as always.
We're about to land. Shout out to Charles to go. See you again, Paris, for the fourth time.
Good morning, Paris.
Good morning. It's 6:45 here. Just landed safely. Thank you so much. I can see my luggage already. No, it's not. It's the one. It's mine. It really feels good to be back here in the, what do you call this one? Center of Fashion, City of Love. Safely arriving in Paris. Since our flight was like early morning, and then our check-in time in the hotel is like 12 o'clock. So we opted to have a quick breakfast here in the hotel, of course. Not hotel, sorry. Airport. Of course, Starbucks. Our first Starbucks breakfast together. This is the lobby of our hotel. It's going to the restaurant. It's a cute area, and the receptions are really friendly. Finally, the long wait is over. Time for check-in already. The room is ready.
Wow.
This will be our
Spacious.
this will be our home for the next 4 days here in Paris. So nice,
Spacious.
spacious. There's a view outside. Hi, we're back in Paris. So our first itinerary for today, after we had breakfast here in Sophie Park, we'll just have to explore. It's starting to rain already, guys. We forgot to bring our umbrella, but it's okay. We still managed to bring it. It's a beautiful view. So now we're enjoying Paris. Feels, yeah, like this is the life that you'll never get rid of it. You'll never get tired of visiting Paris with this kind of view and
How
weather.
many times, Mom, you went here?
4 times, and I need to travel more.
For me? My first time.
Going downstairs. It's a cute restaurant here with live music. So let's try and enjoy. And with this beautiful view. Oh my god, it's so confusing. There's a lot of options here. We're trying to find a perfect space for our lunch. So, which one? Italian?
Let's
or
try
what?
the La Florence.
Like there's a lot of options. We will check
Okay.
Bella Italia.
Okay.
Or Florence.
change that.
Okay.
First lunch in Paris. What's this? Lasagna. Lasagna. This one is marinated chicken with pasta and spare ribs with barbecue sauce and fries. Okay. Okay, guys, dig in. Cheers to more coffee dates around the world. Cheers. Our second coffee date here in Paris. To more travel and more coffee date.
This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. All good, all great, sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good. I'm feeling good.
Morning, guys. We're having our breakfast here in the hotel. It's like at the Romdaiz. So the food here is decent enough. There's a lot of variety, and most importantly, most of the menu are my favorite. But what's the catch is the whole view. Look at the beautiful view. Come guys, it's morning in Paris again. We're inside the Uber, heading to Notre Dame. While waiting for our visitor who's on the way coming here in Paris. Our most awaited travel companion.
Good morning.
Hi, morning. Heading to Notre Dame. There's a lot of tourist people here. You know why? Because the weather is perfect also.
Yeah.
It's perfect only just stroll.
Just to stroll.
Strolling around, enjoy the scenery, and join with a lot of bunch of people who's also enjoying like us. Hello Paris again. It's me.
We're heading inside, Be? A lot of people lining out to go inside. So we are lucky Notre Dame is open. And the last time we've been here, it's closed. But this is a good time. Yeah.
Paris is not just about old fashion. You know, there's also nature in here, like a lot of art. You can just enjoy and take a deep breath, fresh air, sit down and have some coffee. And then like nothing to do, just positive vibes. See like, look at
Ma'am Shi, papunta ka na?
Hi, welcome to Paris. See you in 20 minutes. We'll be there waiting for you in the hotel. Oh my God, you look so fresh. Okay, go to the taxi area now. Bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.